Now, recovery track. Let's start with poses. Let's go. Go down. Down. Go up. And open. Relax. Repeat. Go down. Remember those poses. Go up and open. Very good. Easy. Bounces for and march in place. Very easy. 4 bounces. March. Yes. Repeat. Give me 4. 4. 3. 2. Cha-cha-cha. 4. Yes. Again, repeat the same. Give me 4. And 4 cha-cha-chas. The same. Very easy. 4, 3, 2, and turn the cha-cha like a circle. Yes. Give me 4. Circle. And now the arms from the beginning go down, go up. Hack. Look. And turn. Very good. One more time. Go down. Hack. Look. Easy. 2 more times. You can do it. Good. Yes. Last time for everybody. Go down. Up. Hack. Look. Yes. Okay, now second part. Tap. Ball change. Tap. Ball change. 4 times and march. Yes. Repeat the same. Give me 4. 4. 3. 2. March. You got it. Now the arms go up. The other one. Cross. And eyes. Yeah. Very easy. Look the arms. Go up. 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 Down. And open. Yes. From the top. Are you ready? Go down. Go up. Hack. Look. Circle. Tap with arms. Down and eyes. Yes. One more time. Let's go. Pose. You got it. Circle. Cha-cha-cha. Double change. Good. Very good. One more time the taps with the arms. Go. Tap. And watch now. March. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby mambo with shoulders. Go tap. Yes. March. 1, 2, 3. Baby mambo with shoulders. Taps. Very easy. This is a recovery track. And move. Walk. Baby mambo. Come back. Yes, tap. You got it. Move to the lateral. Baby mambo. From the top. Come on. Yes. Circle. Second part. Taps. And be ready now to turn. Watch. Turn. Baby mambo. From the top. Go down. Go up. High. Look. Yeah. Second part. Tap ball change. You got it. And turn. Remember. Baby mambo. Last time for everybody. Woo! Very good. Second part. Tap ball change with arms. Up. Up. Cross. Eyes and look, now the eyes.